New at 10, the pandemic creating issues for an already overwhelmed immigration system. All migrant protection protocol hearings are postponed. This is the second time the agency is pushing back immigration hearings. CBS 4's Sydney Hernandez explains why not everyone is pleased with it.
Postponed again. This time, those under the Migrant Protection Protocol, better known as MPP, will not get their day in court until at least June 22nd in an effort to prevent the spread of COVID-19 inside immigration courts.
It's just made a bad situation even worse.
Alex Martinez is an immigration attorney with clients under MPP and says the changes are confusing.
They're saying that everything has been suspended up until June 19th, and then on June 22nd, they're going to have the new dates. But you're supposed to show up at the port of entry 30 days after your last notice of hearing. Well, I think I already lost you with me just saying that alone. So imagine a person who doesn't understand the language, a person who is not educated and does not have the sophistication of knowing where to find the information or knowing how to read the law. Then imagine how disadvantaged those individuals are.
DHS also announced that asylum seekers will no longer need to present themselves at a port of entry in an effort to protect the safety of them, officers, and others during this health crisis.
They have announced that individuals should go to the port of entry 30 days after their last notice of hearing. And in this circumstance, it has created a lot of confusion, a lot of frustration.
Martinez fears the confusion will cost many their day in court.
If you do not show up at your date of hearing, you will have what's known as a removal order. So in other words, you've lost a chance to fight your case.
In a joint statement, DHS and EOIR said for individuals with the hearing date of June 22nd or after, there is no change in procedures and individuals should report as instructed on their tear sheets. DHS does have a 1-800 number as well as an online system where attorneys and detainees can check their hearing date and status. Reporting with complete Valley coverage, Sydney Hernandez, CBS 4 Valley at 10.
And to read the full statement from DHS, you can visit our website at valleycentral.com.